So another beautiful morning in Sri Lanka. We just put on all our stuff and we're gonna grab...
How much? 200 rupees.
Hur mycket?
150.
Vad sa du?
150 typ. 200.
150?
Yeah, like I said, we're grabbing a tuk-tuk to the railway station. Here. Yeah, Lavinia railway station. Alright, so my number 2 travel tip in Sri Lanka is when you ride in a tuk-tuk, don't even look at the traffic because you're gonna get a heart attack. Here you go.
Thank you.
So we're just waiting for the train now. The ride here was much faster than we thought, but I mean it's better to be early than late, I guess. And when we arrived in the tuk-tuk, there was a train here, and it was like so full. So we're kind of hoping that our train is not the same amount of people, I guess. We got a train incoming here, so let's see. This is how 4 happy tourists look when they got on the right train and jumped off because they thought it was the wrong train. And now have to wait for 2 hours for the next train. Smart cream crackers from Maliban. Superior Taste Award 2016 in Brussels. First impression, pretty standard cracker, broken in the corner there, but yeah, I mean... Oh. Yeah, it's a pretty good cracker. It's great actually, very salty.
Det är fan den torraste skitjakt i munnen länge alltså.
Alright, so second try. Train should arrive in like 5 minutes and hopefully it's the right one, we don't know. They told us this was the right one, but they did that last time as well, and maybe it was, but like I don't even know at this point. We're just gonna get on the train and hope that we get to the right destination, I guess. The train was pretty packed, to say the least. There's not a lot of room to sit, but hopefully people are gonna get off soon so we can maybe get some seats. Alright, so we just arrived in Galle train station. When the train leaves, I'm gonna be like this, maybe not this far out, but something like that. And then we're gonna take pictures. We took some pictures, but I don't think this is the right train to take pictures on, to be honest. It's going way too fast, so I think we'll have to wait. I don't know, I don't think the photos turned out that good because we don't want to die, so we just jumped off the train. A tuk-tuk was waiting for us right here, but he's going away now to get his friend because we're too many to go in one. So yeah, finally arrived. Now we just need like a 10-minute ride to Mirissa in the tuk-tuk.
Mirissa Beach!
Oh, jävlar. We just arrived here in the hotel room. And we're going to the beach. I'm not gonna bring a camera because I'm so tired and starving and thirsty and hungry and yeah, everything.
On the beach.
So talk to you later when I get home.